Hi, Metem Sado from Iraq. There are several ways to handle your audio noise to remove the noise from your audio. One of those ways by using this famous filter or famous plugin. Here we have this sound, this voice. You hear this voice without any plugin. Now you can hear the car sound. Okay. This track, it's full of noise. There are car sound, people sound, everything. First thing, we will use the first plugin. It's called Gate. This Gate. You hear this voice without any plugin. All right. Start with the threshold. You hear this voice without any plugin. Now you can hear the car sound, people sound. All right. You know, the noise at the first here, it's gone. It's gone. You hear this voice without any plugin. All right. I want you to listen to this area. Plugin. It's car sound. Did you hear that? Well, I will active the effect, active gate. There is no sound. Plugin. Now you can hear the car sound, people sound. When I talk, with my words, come out some noise with my sound, with my voice. You hear this voice without any plugin. The noise is still with my voice. But in the empty area, there's no noise. You hear this voice. Now when I am talking, the noise come out with my words. Here we will use another plugin to fix this problem. We will use NS Mono. This plugin, it's a perfect plugin to remove this problem, remove this noise. Listen. You hear this voice without any plugin. Now you can hear the car sound, people sound. All right. There is no noise, no car sound, and nothing at all. Let's listen to this track without this plugins and with this plugins. Without. You hear this voice without any plugin. Now you can all right, with. You hear this voice without any plugin. Now you can hear the car sound. This is the best and the perfect way to fix the noise track? Well, you will use a little bit from equalizer, just a little bit equalizer to open up or make it your vocal or voice a little more bright, like that. You hear this voice without any plugin. Now you can hear the car sound. That's it. You just use the first plugin, use gate, and the second plugin you will use NS Mono. You hear this voice without any plugin. Well, do not use a loud of threshold like this. You hear this voice without any plugin, because the loud of threshold will you will lose the first letter from your speech. You just do it like 40. Now you can hear the car sound, people sound, maximum 38, just like that. That's it. Now, this is the best and the perfect way to remove your noise. Any question you have, message me on my Instagram. The link, it's in the description. And see you later.